Let me guess, you're here watching this video because you're worried that your Facebook business manager is going to get restricted for no reason and your whole business is going to come to a halt. Or most likely this has already happened to you. But I get it, I would be worried too. The thing is, the key to success in e-commerce and dropshipping is consistency. And how the hell are you going to be consistent if your Facebook business manager keeps getting restricted or your Facebook profiles keep getting restricted for literally no reason and you can't run ads anymore? There's almost literally no way of finding success if you don't have its structure in place. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Facebook structure so you don't have to worry if your Facebook assets get banned. And even if they get banned, you have a backup plan so you can achieve the results that you want to get. By the way, this video is for education purposes, so please always comply with Facebook's policies. Okay, so I'm in my computer and the structure is pretty simple, but yeah, it is a bit complicated to set up, but yeah, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do everything. This is an overview of the whole structure. So it consists of 2 BMs, 2 business managers, and 4 Facebook profiles. You can have more business managers or you can have more profiles. The more the better, just so you have more backup. So BM1 essentially just holds all the assets. So you'll be creating all the Facebook pages and the pixels inside of BM1. And then BM1 will have profile 1 and then profile 2. And then BM2 is going to be where you're running the ads. So you'll have all your ad accounts here. If you're running agency ad accounts, you will share them into BM2. So, and then BM2 will have profile 2. So profile 2 will be connected with BM1 and BM2. And then it will also have BM3. And then I'll have a 4th profile, which will be an employee, which you'll only give employee access. The rest you'll give all admin access. And then the 4th profile you give employee access. And I'll show you how to make employee access. So BM1 is going to share all the assets to BM2. Also, I'll show you how to do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, BM1 will share all the assets with BM2. And then in BM2, you'll run all the ads. And if BM2 gets banned, you'll go ahead and disconnect all the assets that you shared from BM1. And then you'll reshare it with your new BM. And we hold all the assets in BM1 because it is very unlikely that BM1 will get restricted. Since it won't be running ads or anything, it's literally almost impossible that it gets restricted. So you can get all these profiles from your friends and family. You can get them from your parents, brothers, sisters, cousins. You just need to gather up 4 profiles. If you don't have access to your family's profiles, then you could buy them from a supplier if you want. But yeah, I recommend getting your profiles from your friends and family for sure. A few things you need to have before you start the structure. First of all, we need Incogniton. So Incogniton is going to let you log into each individual profile. So for this, you'll just need to download it onto your computer. Then you have to select a plan. So unfortunately, it used to be free. You used to be able to get 10 browser profiles for free, but now you have to pay 20 a month. And if you select the free plan, you only get 3 browser profiles. So unfortunately, that won't be enough. So you would have to select this plan. And yeah, by the way, I'll leave all the links to these websites in my description, so you can just find them over there. So once you've selected your Incogniton plan, we then will need to get some proxies. And for that, we can go over to my private proxy and you'll just click on private proxies. And then you'd get this plan over here, which is $11.75 a month. And this will give you 5 proxies. So that'll let you have 5 browser profiles. And then you would hit get started. And then here you can just click on Facebook. And this is very important. Let's say you have your friends and family's profiles and all of them are from, let's say, Belgium. You'll click on Belgium and continue. Or if you bought profiles, also ask your supplier where these profiles are from. Most likely they're from United States, so you'll just click United States and you'll hit continue. So once you have all your proxies, it should look something like this. And then here has all your information about the proxy, which we all transfer to Incogniton. So I've blurred out most of my information just because it's all my info about my proxies. So next thing we need to do is go over straight to Incogniton. And then we need to create browser profiles. For that, we'll just click New Profile. And then here we'll name the profile as the name of the Facebook profile, which let's say the name is Max. Then we'll put the business manager, which we want to assign it to. So let's say it's business manager 1. And then we'll put admin as well. This is just so everything is not messy. So you know exactly which profile is which. And then you would hit get new fingerprints. The fingerprint is basically all this information. And then you would hit proxy. And then you would click on HTTP proxy. And then here you would have to go back to my private proxy and copy the proxy IP. And then we want to head over back to Incogniton, paste that. Then we want to put 2 dots and copy the HTTP port and then paste it back into Incogniton. And then for the proxy username, we'll take the username from here, copy it in, and the same goes for the password. Okay, then we would click on check proxy. And as you can see here, it was successful. And then we can just hit on create profile. Mine didn't work because I have the free subscription since this is a dummy account. But it should work, and then once you have your profile, it should look something like this, and you'll have a tick here. Then you would want to click on start. And then you'll have a new browser looking like this. And then before you log into Facebook, it's very important you want to warm up the browser, because when you make a new browser, you have no cookie history. So you can go on any random website, just on Amazon, scroll for a bit, log into YouTube, and then once you've done all that, you can then log into Facebook, into your Facebook profile that you have. And then once you have logged into Facebook, you then want to log into your business manager. So once you're in your business manager, I then want to show you how to share your assets to your other BM and to add Facebook profiles to your BMs. So we'll just go over to business settings, and then we'll click on users and then people. This is how to add Facebook profiles to the BM. And then you'll hit on invite people. And then here you could put even your personal email. It doesn't really matter as long as you log in the right Facebook profile, the one that you want to send to this BM. And then we want to give this Facebook profile admin access, so that would be full access. We would click on everything. You can just put all this pixels, and then you'll click on invite. And then once you clicked on invite, you would head over to your email that you put in, and then here you would see the invitation. You would copy this link, and then you would go into the browser where you want to log in with your Facebook profile. So yeah, you would copy this link and then just log in as normal, put your details in, and then you'll be inside of the BM that you chose. So now I want to show you how to share assets to your second business manager. And that's pretty simple. You just need to, let's say we want to share the pixel to BM2. We ought to go over to pixels. Let me just create a pixel quick. And then we ought to assign partner. And then here, the only thing you need to do is put in the business manager ID from your second BM and paste it into here. And I'll show you how to find the business manager ID. It's pretty easy. You just go to business info. And then you can find it right here. So you'll just copy this and then paste it into here. And then you can just check these. Next, and accept. And then now you have successfully shared your pixel with the BM2. And then in BM2, you'll just have to accept the invitation, and then it'll be completely connected. And this goes the same with the pages. So with the pages, you'll just select a page, assign partner, paste in the business ID of business manager 2, and click on everything and click on next. And it's the same process. So one last thing I wanted to show you is how to add a profile and only give it employee access. So for that, we'll do the same, click invite people. And then we'll put in the email that you want to log into Facebook with. Click next. And then here you just want to go to basic partial access. So you don't want to click on any of these. You can click on your assets and just give it, you can just do ads and insights. For this, you can just put manage campaigns. This is for your ad accounts, by the way. And then for pixels, we'll just click view pixels and click invite. And then as you can see here, it says partial access, which essentially means it's employee access. To be honest, that's pretty much it. Like there's nothing much else you need to do. If your second BM does get banned, you just remove the access from all the assets that you shared onto Business Manager 2, and then you reconnect it with your new Business Manager. And then you can just start running it, and then you haven't lost any of your assets, any of your pixels, Facebook profiles, and you can just continue running as normal. So yeah, with that being said, if you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments or DM me on Instagram, and I'll give you an answer as soon as possible. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and see you on the next one.